Guess how long it takes to build a website for a new hair and nail salon, including online booking from Fresha or Vagaro? A few hours? Nope. More like the time it takes you to drink your morning coffee. And before you roll your eyes and say, yeah, right, watch this. No coding, no tech skills, and best of all, you can start for free. Just head to Airo AI and tell Airo about your business. Simple as that. You don't need to have all the answers either. Start with what you know. Something like, okay, this is a hair and nail salon. I want people to be able to book online. I want it to feel modern, friendly, fresh, and youthful. I love autumn colors, and I want people to feel confident and beautiful when they leave. That's it. Then press generate and watch what happens next. Airo immediately gets to work. It'll ask you a few simple questions to fill in the blanks, like where your business is based, the kind of vibe you're after, and who your target audience is. Then, in just a couple of minutes, you're staring at a website wondering why you ever thought this would be hard. With professional images, a color palette tailored to your business, fonts picked for you, copy that's on brand, even a professional logo. See? Told you it was quick. Now for the fun part. It's your turn to personalize things and make them your own. Honestly, this feels a lot less like building a website and more like playing a computer game. Want to try a different color palette? Go for it. Prefer another font? Easy. You can click on any image and swap it out by uploading your own, or choose from a library of images and videos that fit your brand. You can even make changes using your voice. I love it, but now please match my logo to the color palette. Done. Airo AI Builder will guide you through the process and help you make decisions along the way. Because we're not all designers, but we all still want our business to look polished and professional, right? Airo AI Builder, the gift that keeps on giving, also creates your very own brand kit. And if you're thinking, I don't even know what a brand kit is, don't worry, most people don't. A brand kit brings together all the design essentials that help your business look consistent and professional every time you create something. Inside, you'll find your logo, color palette, fonts, and other key brand elements, all neatly organized in one place. Why do you need this? Because these simple ingredients help keep your brand looking consistent and professional every time you update your website, create a social post, send an email, or launch a new campaign. No guessing, no hunting around for the perfect font. Okay, so now you've got your website, the logo, fonts, colors, the whole package. And honestly, it's looking pretty good. But where are your services, right? Adding a new page to your website is super easy. Let's say you want to show off your nail art. Just tell Airo, I need a page for nail art. A few moments later, you've got a page filled with stunning content to get you started. From there, you can add your services and update the pricing. Then maybe you want to meet the team page. Easy. Airo will create that too. All that's left is updating the copy, swapping out your team's photos, and adding those personal touches that make your salon yours. What about a way for people to make bookings? Just type, I need to set up online booking. Think of Airo as your AI business partner. It'll ask a few simple questions about how you want your bookings to work, then build everything you need to get up and running. Honestly, at this point, Airo's just showing off. Good news if you're already using Fresha or Vagaro, Airo makes it super easy to connect. Simply type, connect my Fresha account. Airo will ask you for your Fresha booking link. Paste it in, choose whether you'd like a booking widget on your website or a button that links to your booking page, and Airo takes care of the rest. Moments later, your customers can start booking appointments online. That's it. And don't forget to connect your social media to your website. Once you've connected your Facebook and Instagram accounts, be sure to make the most of the marketing calendar. It lets you plan and schedule posts from a single dashboard. This is what working smarter, not harder, looks like. And when you're ready to create that content, Airo has all of your brand elements saved in your brand kit. Your logo, fonts, colors, the whole lot. If you know a thing or two about coding, you're welcome to jump in and tweak the code Airo generates. And if something goes wrong, don't worry. All your backups are saved, so you can always go to a previous version of your website and restore it. There, good as new. Okay, moment of truth. We're nearly ready to publish. But wait, it's worth taking a quick look at how everything appears on different devices. A laptop, an Android, an iPhone, an iPad, just to make sure everything looks exactly the way you want it to. Before you publish your website, you'll need to pick a plan that's right for you. Then comes the bit you've been waiting for. Hit publish. And that's it, you're online. Honestly, it feels like there should have been 10 more complicated steps in the process, but there aren't. And if you'd like to make more changes or updates down the line, you can always top up your AI credits as needed. As your business grows, chances are you'll have more people helping you along the way. That's why Airo lets you invite team members to access your account and make updates on your behalf. And that's just the beginning. Airo AI Builder comes packed with helpful tools designed to make running your business easier. Take SEO, for example. Search engine optimization can sound a little intimidating, but fortunately, Airo can help with that too. Type "optimize my site" for SEO and watch as Airo optimizes your site to get found online. You can also use analytics to see who's visiting your site, where they're coming from, and what's driving results. That means a better understanding of your audience and what's working. And you can upgrade your plan whenever you need more features and functionality. Your website grows with you. If you ever get stuck along the way, our guides are just a phone call or live chat away. It's no wonder we're rated excellent on Trustpilot. If you've been putting off building a website for your salon, this is your sign. Start for free today with GoDaddy Airo AI Builder.